These crazy storms have been bringing this really deep water. I don't know if you can tell what the depth is when you look at it. Look at this. This whole area shouldn't be floating around. You can see there's water moving down there and over there. See, still water, and it starts to rush here. And it goes down the waterfall here and a waterfall down there. And it continues its voyage down there. That area goes too. It's crazy. So the creek is over here. I'm going through the woods. So give me a sec, I'm gonna find another location. You can see it clearly was coming through around here because of how it is. Look at that rushing water just coming through. I'm gonna step over this real quick. See, there's these roots right here that I've curved over the terrain to make a thing. One sec. Starts around back there and just comes through, and you can see there's a stream that actually goes that way. The rest of the waterfall is this way. You can see that over there. This is crazy. And obviously there's one that goes around here. There might actually be something. There is a stream over there. Let's go through these. This is a runoff area. You can see there's this water in a stream that goes down into the rest of the lake here. It's more like a river, a little stream, if you will. You can see it. There's a lot of rushing water here, so there might be a waterfall. It comes over here, and there's this really cool root here that looks like it has a bunch of water flowing through here as well. This is crazy. This entire area was just a big trench until all this rain came through. We got a couple weeks of solid about 20 collective inches, and this entire thing was dry. It's crazy how water can just fill up a deserted trench and just make it a flowing river. Yeah.